Gathered here at the Unity Center, Ifakoijayi, are the All Progressives Congress faithful and supporters of the representative of Ifakoijayi Constituency 1, Honorable Adewale Temitope Adedeji, for the flag-off campaign of his re-election into the Lagos State House of Assembly and campaign for all the party's candidates.
All should go out and canvass and make sure we tell people about our candidates so that they all can come out en masse. Come 25th of February for our presidential and the Senate and House of Rep, and March 11th for the governorship and the House of Assembly. You know, our candidates, they are all known to us.
While speaking, the chief host of the event, Honorable Adewale Temitope Adedeji, gave account of his achievements so far in the health, education, sports and other sectors, which he regarded as a result of collective efforts between himself and the leaders of the constituency.
Àti ṣe free health insurance scheme fún àwọn màmá wa àwọn opó fún 450 of them tí ó lè pé wọ́n gba ètò ìlera lọ́fẹ̀ẹ́ ní gbogbo hospital tó bá lọ. Àti ṣe ètò tí àwọn ọkùnrin nínú àwọn bàbá wa 400 of them free health insurance scheme. Àti ṣe ètò free medical surgeries àti ti ṣe ètò free medical assessment and treatments for over 1,000 people. And to primary schools need to renovate. And it will be a total number of 1,650 JAMB forms. Oríṣiríṣi bẹ́ẹ̀ ni a ṣe ń ṣe lọ tí a wò pé ìdìbò bọ̀. So lórí ní wà láàrin pé láàrin àwọn olórí nínú wa.
He also said that with the people's PVC at hand, he ensured that APC will emerge victorious at all levels.
I see the many things that you are doing in support of this cause. I can also do the many that you are doing in support of Ashwaju and our government.
The special guest of honor, Dr. Idiat Oluranti Adebule, APC candidate in Lagos West Central District, who graced the event, appreciated the tremendous efforts of the leaders of the constituency and urged them not to relent because their scorecard will attract the love of the people. Adebule, speaking further, promised to stand on her words by executing the plans slated to take the state onto a higher level.
The reason for being here this afternoon is to flag off the campaign of Honorable Adewale Temitope. And you will see from the attendance, the people of Ifakoijayi are struggling behind all of the candidates of APC in Ifakoijayi. And of course, we heard from them, our father Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Governor Olusola Sanwo-Olu and Dr. Hamzat, all of these people are the people that the people of Ifakoijayi are rooting for.
The House of Representative candidate Ifakoijayi, Honorable Benjamin Adeyemi Olabinjo, urged all to go out on election day to vote in candidates representing the party at the constituency, state and federal level in order to have a smooth and easy run of affairs.
What we are here today to do is just to congratulate ourselves.
Today, what you see today is because of the hard work we put into representing the people at the Lagos State House of Assembly, and it's been very wonderful. It's been a journey, a tough journey, but then we've been able to achieve in terms of education, in terms of welfare, in terms of infrastructure development, and many other aspects of governance within the local government.
From what they have reeled out there, it shows that he has done a whole lot of things. He has student is actually sponsoring for international studies presently. He is the only House of Assembly member in the whole of Nigeria that has actually empowered a whole lot more people, and is the only House of Assembly member in the whole of Nigeria that's actually given out enough JAM forms, enough GC forms. He has also facilitated a lot of road projects in the local government. He has a whole lot of elderly people that is actually sponsoring their health schemes and all that. So if we keep on saying it, we are going to go live here today. He has done a whole lot of things to be re-elected as the Lagos State member again.
As the 2023 election pulls nearer, Various candidates from the All Progressives Congress, both in the state and federal level, continue to campaign vigorously in order to retain the position of the ruling party.